Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make a video full screen on YouTube. So let's get started. Alright, so you know how some of the videos you post on YouTube have these black bars on the side or at the top and bottom? Well, that's because of the aspect ratio. See, the default aspect ratio on YouTube for a full screen video is 16:9. If the aspect ratio of your video is different from that, that's when you'll have those black bars on the top and bottom or on the sides of your video. So I'm going to be showing you how to fix that real quick. So on the options at the bottom here, you're going to scroll all the way to the end and click on Aspect Ratio. From here, you want to set it to 16:9. After that, go back. Now click on your main video. Again, scroll through the options at the bottom and look for Transform. Click on Resize, then select 16:9, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, nothing has changed in my video because this video that I'm using as an example is already in 16:9 format, so that's why there is no difference at all. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.